Welcome to JH. I will show you how to resolve the error code 0x8004de40 that appears when attempting to sign into OneDrive. While this error is annoying, I am here to lead you through a simple process to fix it efficiently. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens the Run command box, a handy tool for accessing system features quickly. Inside the box, type inecpl.cpl and then click OK. This opens your Internet Properties window to make some changes. Once open, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you will see a list of settings related to your Internet connection and security protocols. Ensure that certain security layers are active by scrolling down through the options. Locate TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, and TLS 1.2, and make sure all three boxes are checked. Transport layer security is essential for secure communication across your network, so enabling these options ensures your OneDrive connection remains stable and safe. After that, move to the Connections tab beside the Advanced tab. In this section, click the LAN Settings button. This configures your local area network. The key setting here is Automatically Detect Settings. Ensure this box is checked, as it allows your operating system to handle network configurations automatically, preventing connectivity problems with OneDrive. After checking this, click OK, and then select Apply in the main Internet Properties window to save your changes. Finally, we need to reset the OneDrive application to refresh your connection and implement the settings we just modified. To perform a reset, you can check the official support page or use the command prompt if you are comfortable with that method. That is all it takes to fix the error code 0x8004de40 when logging into OneDrive. By adjusting these network settings, you are ensuring a much smoother experience. If these steps do not fix the problem, you may want to seek professional help or check specific support channels. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. See you next time.